In this video, I'm going to explain what the yellow light on your Verizon router means, why it happens, and how to fix it so your internet works again. A solid yellow light on a Verizon router usually means the internet connection is weak or unstable. If it's blinking yellow, the router is trying to connect but hasn't locked onto a stable signal yet. First, check your cables. Make sure the Ethernet cable from your modem or ONT is securely plugged into the router's WAN port. Loose or damaged cables can cause signal loss. If possible, try another cable to rule out a fault. Next, restart your router. Unplug it from power, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Give it a few minutes to fully boot and check if the yellow light changes to white, which indicates a proper connection. If you're on Verizon Fi OS, check your ONT box to ensure it's powered on and doesn't show an error light. A problem at the ONT will prevent your router from getting internet. Also, check for local outages by logging into your My Verizon account or using the My Verizon app. If there's a service disruption, you'll need to wait until Verizon resolves it. For Wi-Fi performance issues causing yellow light warnings, make sure your router isn't placed in a corner or behind thick walls. Relocate it to a more central spot for better signal. If the light stays yellow after trying these steps, perform a factory reset. Hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the router restarts, then set it up again in the app. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.